RSP on 40 meters, so on the 7 megahertz amateur band, and we're going to be looking at the CW signals. And first of all, if you go to the EXTIO button, it will open up the control panel for the RSP, and you'll see I've selected quite a narrow bandwidth of 200 kilohertz. As I change that, for example, if I do 1.5 megahertz, you can see on this frequency spectrum display here a range from about 6 megs up to 7.5, nearly 8 megs. I'm going to crank it right down to 200 kilohertz. And the reason I'm doing that, and that's centered here using the the local oscillator's frequency centered on 7 megs, so our 200 kilohertz bandwidth is centered on 7 megs, so plus or minus 100 kilohertz either side. Now the reason I've done that is, if you look above 7.2 megs, there's some great megawatt broadcasters there, which potentially might have some blocking effects. So we'll carefully make sure it's sloping off as we get up into the 7.3 megahertz region. We can now use the zoom here to open up the display to show the CW end of the 40 meter band, and then we can at the moment I've got the filters are here for the audio. I've got the lower sideband filter, 2.5 kilohertz, so we're actually going to pick up several CW stations at once. You can see in the the red line is where the center is, and because it's on lower sideband, we're listening just to the 2 or 3 kilohertz below, and picking up lots of signals there. There's a whole chunk up there. There's some more up there. Obviously, if we put on the CW filter, we can then go to fine tune to get something that we can and now in the speech portion of the band above 7.060.
Italia, seguì Italia, Italia Zulu 4, Romeo Charlie Quebec, Isuta 4, R5, seguì Italia Kilo 4, Quebec Juliet Fox, confermo, grazie, ciao, buona ripresa, Italia Quebec 3, Mike Fox. Italia Kilo 5, Italia Florida Hotel. IK5,